In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy a project on Netlify from GitHub. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so your site goes live with confidence. I'm assuming your GitHub repository is already connected to a Netlify site and you're logged in. First, open your browser and go to netlify.com. Sign in if you aren't already. You'll land on your dashboard, which lists your sites. Each site here represents a project connected to a Git provider like GitHub. If you don't immediately see the one you want, use the search bar at the top of the site's view to quickly filter. Next, click on your project to open its site dashboard. This is your project's control room. You'll see an overview with recent activity, the production branch it's connected to, and quick links. If you manage multiple teams, make sure you're in the correct team workspace so you open the right project. Inside the project, head to the Deploys tab. This tab shows your deploy history, including the current production deploy, any preview deploys from pull requests, and the full build logs. It's the best place to watch what's happening in real time and to diagnose issues if something goes wrong. Now look for the Trigger Deploy dropdown near the top of the Deploys page. This control lets you manually start a deployment outside of the normal automatic triggers that happen when you push to GitHub. It's handy when you've updated settings in Netlify or want to rebuild the latest commit without making a new code change. From that dropdown, click Deploy Project. Netlify will immediately start a new deploy using the connected GitHub branch and the build settings saved for this site. You'll see the status progress through stages like queued, building, and finally published if everything completes successfully. You can click into the deploy to watch the live logs, which show each step of the build and any messages from your framework or tooling. If a deploy fails, read the logs from top to bottom to spot missing environment variables, incorrect build commands, or dependency issues. Often the first error message is the most informative. Once the deploy is published, you'll get a unique deploy URL under the production section, and your main site URL will point to the latest successful build. Share that link to confirm everything looks right. Going forward, any push to your connected GitHub branch will automatically trigger a fresh deploy, and you can always return to this page to trigger one manually the same way. That's all you need to deploy your project on Netlify from GitHub.